So let us discuss yesterday's homework some first. Uh, Lakshya and all they have done, but actually they have done in expanded form, like very big manner. That much big is not actually required also. So as like when we are writing for competitive exams, as short as possible and as fast as possible, we have to finish it. So if you have seen that question, they're saying that they're asking us to find the percentage, like percentage error in density. So that is what, as we all know, percentage error in density, delta D divided by D into 100 per 100 is equals to how much? That is what they are asking. And they have given the measuring of mass and length are respectively the percentage error is directly they have given. Means what they have given delta m divided by m into 100. Directly they have given that is equals to 1.5 and length delta L divided by L into 100 is equals to 1%. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now they are asking, what is the percentage error in density? So as we all knows, density is equals to, we people knows mass by volume, and mass is m only and volume is L power 3. So if you write this one as delta D divided by D is equals to delta M divided by M plus this 3 will come this side. Yesterday we have written powers, do you remember? 3 into delta L divided by L. So that's all it will come. So what will come here? The coefficient of M is 1. So 1 into delta M divided by delta M, M into 100 plus 3 into delta L divided by L into 100. So which is equals to what? Delta D divided by D 100. Which is equals to 1 into this value is how much? 1.5.
1.5.
This is 3 into this value is 1. So total is equals to 1 into 1.5, 4. 3 into 1, 3. So which is equals to how much?
4.5%.
So that is what it is. So you have to solve it very, very fastly. So delta D by D into 100, so which is equals to 4.5%. So that is what answer for this question. I hope you all understood. Clear? So that is. So let us see now today's class will solve the best questions of error analysis, how fast we have to solve and how to make it. So you can keep questions of error analysis. So most probably every year you can see at least one question related to this error analysis in our NEET and as well as JEE. Of course, in board exam, definitely there. So write the first question number 1. The error in the measurement of the radius of a sphere. The error in the measurement of the radius of a sphere is 1%. Find the error in the measurement of volume. So that is what our first question. Is it okay, everybody? So what I have given, the given thing is what actually? The given thing is the sphere. So having a radius r. So as we all people knows, having a radius r. So now what is the percentage of radius error? Everybody, percentage error of radius error is how much? 1%.
1%.
The radius error in percentage error in radius measurement is 1% means, then how much will be the volume they are asking? Volume, what is the error they are asking? So of a sphere. So we have taken a sphere whose radius is r and the percentage error of radius is 1%. So that is what the question. So we all knows. So they have given data percentage error in R is 1%, and they are asking us to find what? Percentage error in
Volume of sphere.
So volume is how much? So we all people knows percentage error in volume means what it actually? delta V divided by V into 100. That is what we want. Is it yes or no? All of you?
Yes, sir.
And error
Yes, sir.
radius, how we can write? How we can write the radius percentage error?
Delta R by R.
Divided by R into 100 is equals to how much percentage? 1%.
1%.
This is what they are asking now. So we all people knows volume of the sphere. What is the volume of the sphere formula for those?
4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube.
Into pi r cube. So that is what the percentage error, volume of a sphere. That's all. So as we all know, 4 by 3 and pi, what is that actually they are? Constants.
Constant
So,
value.
delta V divided by V is equals to 3 will be coming forward. So 3 into what will come? Delta R divided by R. So now we want percentage error. So delta V divided by V into 100 is equals to 3 into everybody delta R divided by R into 100. So we already know delta R divided by R is equals to what?
1%.
So here 4 by 3 is what actually? 4 by 3 into pi?
Constant value.
Constant. So does not have anything. So we all know delta V divided by V into 100 is equals to 3 into this entire thing we people knows. How much percentage? 1%.
Percentage.
Then delta V divided by V into 100, how much percentage? Everybody. Yes, please. What is the volume percentage?
3%.
3%. So that is what it is. Are you clear, brothers? Understood? Girls? Any doubt? Anyone can ask. That's it, understood? Yes? Completed?
Sir.
Yeah. So this is the first question. So let's go to the next question, everybody. So next question will be from class 10th. You can see that. So write the question number 2. Be active in the class and you have to do before me. That's what is expected. Beginning, okay. Given R1 is equals to 5 plus or minus 0.2 ohms and R2 is equals to 10 plus or minus 0.1 ohm. 5 plus or minus 0.2 ohm, 10 plus or minus 0.1 ohm. So what is the total resistance in parallel? Total resistance in parallel with possible percentage error. So now, first of all, you identify either it is a series connection or parallel connection. It is
Parallel connection.
parallel. So if it is a parallel connection, then is it possible to add that directly like this? X is equals to A plus B, delta X is equals to delta A plus delta B. Is it possible, Udreswa?
No, sir.
No, sir. It is not applicable because it is not a valid one. Why it is not valid? Because it is not adding. They are in what connection? Parallel connection.
Parallel.
It is not applicable because this we can use it only for what connection? It is applicable for series connection. So we people cannot make it. Then, as we all knows, given what the given data, everybody, R1 is equals to 5 plus or minus 0.2 and R2 is equals to 10 plus or minus 0.1 ohm. Is it okay, everybody? Now we all know equivalent resistance they are asking, or total resistance. So total resistance is total resistance in parallel. We all know parallel with percentage error they are asking. So let us, we all knows what is a parallel connection. Parallel connection formula from the class 10.
1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R1
1
plus
by
1 by
R1
R2.
plus 1 by R2. Now you can see this one. So 1 by R, only 2 resistors are given. I have given you one shortcut also. Can you tell me?
R is equal to R1 into R2 by R2.
Yes, please. What will come? Everybody. So this R2 will go up plus here R1 divided
R1 plus R2 divided by R1 into R2.
will come. This one R is equals to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2.
R1 plus R2.
Two resistors are given. This is what we have studied. I have taught you in class 10. Do you remember that? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Then now find first fractional error. What is the fractional error? Delta RE divided by RE is equals to, yeah, everybody. Individually plus this one, whole one. This is first and this is multiplication. Tell me what will come, brothers? Multiplication. R1, R2 and multiplication. Delta R1 divided by R1 plus delta R2 divided by
Delta R2 divided by R2.
Yeah, then this whole term, they are in addition. So what will come? Delta R1 plus R2, they are in addition, addition means same will come. Yes or no? Divided by delta R1 plus R2. Like if you consider, for example, we all people knows R1, R2 is equals to, so something like we can say like, you can take sir house or this one, you observe. Delta X is equals to AB by C, like this only. So R1 plus R2 both is equals to what? R1 plus R2 both is equals to what? We consider C. Then what will come? Delta X by X is equals to what will come, everybody? A means delta A by A plus B means delta B by B plus C means what? Delta C by network. Can you hear me, brothers? Can you hear me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we consider R1 plus R2 is equals to C. Then what will happen? Delta A by A plus delta B by B plus C means what? Delta C by C. Do you understand this one, everybody? Yes or no? All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
That is what you have to remember. Next, tell me, that's all. So delta R E divided by RE is equals to, what is the delta R1 percentage? 0.2 divided by 5 plus delta R2 0.1 divided by
0.1.
plus R1 plus R2, delta R1 plus R2, how much it is? You just add it and tell me. R1 plus R2.
0.3.
R1 plus R2 is equals to 15 plus or minus error is this is. Is it yes, right or wrong? Everybody? For those which is equals to
Yes,
0.3 divided by 15. Is it right or wrong, guys? Yes?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you? Then we want percentage error. Delta RE divided by RE into 100. Make it fast, everybody. 0.2 divided by 5 into what? 100 plus 0.1 divided by 10 into 100 plus 0.3 divided by 15 into 100. So 5 ones are 5 20s are. Next 10 ones are 10 10s are. Same way last one. What will come? You can make it a 5 table. 5 5s, 5 3s are 5. How much are?
20.
5 4, yeah, 20. Correct? Yes, everybody? All of you?
Sir.
Yeah. So that is what it is. Now solve it and tell me how much it will come. All of you should tell me. 0.2 into 10. How much? Sorry, 20. 4. Is it correct? This one. 1 into 0.1 into 10. 1 plus
1.
0.3 into 20. 1 or 2? 2 ra, which is equals
2.
to. What is the percentage error?
7%.
Huh? What is the percentage error, Amma?
7%.
7%. So delta RE divided by RE is 7%. Now we want to find first R equivalent. So parallel. So R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. They are asking that also. Total resistance in parallel with the possible error. So with the possible error, how much, guys? What is the possible error? Yes, please. What is the possible error? 7%. So
7%.
now this one R1 is 5 into R2 is 10 divided by 5 plus 10, which is equals to 50 divided by 15. 5 3s are 5 10s are, which is equals to 10 by 3, which is equals to how much? 3.33. 33. But we have to rounding off minimum number of decimal significant figures. So 5.0 and 10.0. What is the minimum number of significant figures? Verified minimum. So 5.0, how many significant figures? 2 significant figures.
1.
And 10.0, how many significant figures? 3 significant figures. Yeah, 2 or 3 are?
3, sir.
Is it screen is visible?
No, sir.
No, then you have to tell me correct. I don't know. So 5.0. So 5.0, 2 significant figures. 10.0, how many significant figures for those?
3.
3 or 2 are?
3.
3. Then minimum number of significant figures is 2. So if 2 figures means we have to rounding off. Rounding off to what? What is the answer? Yes, everybody?
3.3. 3.3.
3.3.
If the screen is not visible, you should ask me at the beginning itself, correct? So kindly make it. Do it fast. I have not noticed. Do it, make it, everybody. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Wait, 10.0, how many significant figures? 2 or 3 or 2 only, correct? Sorry, 3. 3 only, correct only. So 10.0, 3 significant figures and 5.0, 2 significant figures. So we have to be what? Minimum or maximum? We have to take minimum. So minimum means 2 significant figures. So what is the rounding of answer?
3.3.
3.30. That's all. I will understand, Samya and Manya. Ishali,
Yes, sir.
please solve it. Before, when I'm not, your not skin is not visible, you kindly need to tell me before it. Do it fast. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Laksha completed, for those. So what is the
Sir.
possible percentage error? 7% possible error, and resistance is what? 3.3 ohms. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Clear, guys? Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Question number 3. The length of one rod is 2.53 centimeter, and that of the other rod is 1.27 centimeter. The least count of the measuring instrument, the least count of the measuring instrument is 0.01. What do you mean by least count? Anybody can tell me? Means in the sense of what? Now note it down. Whenever you can heard a word called as least count, means it is the smallest measurement with that instrument. Understand, Rudreswar? Least count means that is the smallest
Yes, sir.
possible measurement with the given instrument. Clear? Yes. If the
Yes, sir.
two rods are put together, if the two rods are put together, end to end means what? Series or parallel? End to end. Series or parallel? Series. Find the combined length. Is it clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, I have given you two rods. What is the rod number 1? Length. X is equals to 2.53 centimeter. Rod number 2, Y is equals to 1.27 centimeter. Yes or no? Everybody? All of you? Now,
Sir.
Least count means, what is the meaning of least count? Yes, please.
Smallest measurement by
Smallest
the
measurement.
instrument.
Yeah, smallest measurement with that measurement with that given instrument. With that given instrument. Are you all clear for those? So, and remember, whenever you will get a now LC, least count means it is the absolute error of, or you can say absolute error it is. Okay, so that is what it is. Now, all of you, any doubt? Clear, Amma? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is. Now, we have to find if they combine what is the least possible maximum length which is attained. So they are asking us to find what is L. So it should be format of what? We all people knows L means what? X plus Y. Then delta L is equals to what? Everyone?
Delta x plus delta.
Delta X plus delta Y. That is what we have to do it. So first find L. L is equals to how much? We all people knows L is equals to, yes please, 2.53 plus 1.27. Tell me how much it is. Both equals to. What are this?
4.90.
4 point or 3 point?
3.3.
Sir, 3.90.
80.
Yes or no? Greswar? Yes. Now we want
Yes, sir.
delta X plus delta Y. Yes or no? Yes. Brothers?
Sir,
Sir.
Now, observe very carefully. This X they have given 2.53 centimeters. Now, if you notice it here very carefully, 2.53, and what is the error given? What is the error given? 0 point absolute error. How much it is? Least count is equals to absolute error. What is the error?
0.0.
0.01. Means in the sense of the actual value is how much, Rudreshwar? This is 0.53, sorry, 2.53 centimeters. But error is 0.01. Means what is the actual value?
2.5.
2.4. Yes or no? Everybody? Yes, please. Same way.
Sir.
The given length of this one is 1.27 centimeter and error is 0.01. Of course, it is a plus or minus, we don't know. Either it is addition or subtraction, but still always error should be what? Error always we have to take what? Either it is addition or subtraction. We have to take what? All of you?
Additional.
Additional. Clear? So this is 1.27, error is 0.01. Means it is 1. What? 1.28 centimeter. Understand, brothers? Clear?
Sir.
And now, if you observe very carefully, 1.53 after 1.54 won't come directly because middle so many internal measurements will be there. Yes or no? For example, I'll say 2.53999999 like that. Then after only 5.24 will come. Is it right or wrong? Am I correct?
Sir.
So the same way. So that is why 2.53 and 2.54. What is the least count they are asking? What is the least measurement we can measure? Absolute error is equals to how much? 0.01. And here also absolute error is 0.01. Now both errors if you add delta x plus delta y, 0.01 plus 0.01. How much it is? 0. What is our addition, Ra? 0. Delta x is this one. Let me take this length is 0.01 absolute error. Here also absolute error delta y is 0.01. Then absolute error over. Then what is the total sum? Delta L is equals to how much it is? 0.02 centimeter. Then you tell me delta L is equals to delta L, we got it. Then L we have to represent how? L is equals to, we have to represent both what? The total length is equals to how we can represent? This length, this 2 plus this error. What is error? Yes, please. What, how we can
0.2.
represent total length? Let me take total length is equals to t. So t is equals to, we have added x plus y, and now delta t is equals to what? Delta a plus
Delta x plus
delta x plus delta y. So if I add total, how much you have to add? Make it everything. So 3.80 plus or minus, how much it is? Plus or minus error how much 0.02 centimeter. That is the total length of the total length when you combine that two. So one is 2.53 and another one is 1.27, and the least count is 0.01. So whenever they have given least count, it is indicating what error? Everybody? Absolute error. Clear, Rudreshwa? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the total length will be how much? 3.80 plus or minus 0.02
02.
centimeters. So please write it. Aswita, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please make it. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Mahalakshmi, completed. Pradosh? Okay, wow.
Completed.
So least count means what? Always?
Absolute.
Absolute error. Keep it in mind that. Clear? Right, next question. In a simple pendulum experiment, question number 4. In a simple pendulum experiment for determination of acceleration due to gravity. What is the symbol of acceleration due to gravity?
T. All T.
T. Time taken for 20 oscillations. Time taken for 20 oscillations is measured by using a watch of 1 second least count. What is the least count?
1 second.
Least count of it one was how much amount? Watch it. 1 second.
1 second.
That is what you have to understand. Then the mean value of time taken, the mean value of time taken comes out to be 30 seconds. Comes out to be how many seconds, everybody? 30 seconds. The length of the pendulum is measured by the meter scale. The length of the pendulum is measured by using a meter scale of least count 1 mm. So what is the meter scale least count? 1 mm, and the value obtained 55 centimeter. 1 mm value obtained is 55.0 centimeter. Is it okay, everybody? Please respond. The percentage error in the determination of G is close to B. The percentage error in the determination of G is close to. This question is asked in JEE mains, actually mains 2019. Okay, please. Options: 0.7%, option B 6.8%. You have to apply here class 9th knowledge also. 6.8%, 3.5%, and option D 0.2%. So these are the options. Clear, everybody? Yes? All of you? Respond. Now, first let me take watch. Read the question. Watch. What is the least count of watch? Everybody? Nobody is answering. What is the least count of watch, Ra? Can hear me or not? Least count of watch is how much?
1 second.
1 second. Then time taken to complete 20 oscillations, how much? Time taken for 20 oscillations. How much, guys? 20 oscillations, how much given, Ra? Read the question. First read the question. 20 oscillations, how much time it has been taken? Yes, please. Why I should teach you people then? Simply. I am only shouting, you people are not on answer.
30 seconds.
You cannot find that. They are saying correct. The time taken for 20 oscillations is measured by using a watch of 1 second least count. The mean value of time taken comes out is to be how many seconds? 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Then the length of the pendulum is measured by using a meter scale whose least count is 1 mm and value obtained is 55 centimeter. So that is what I am asking. I don't know why then. Again, screen is not visible or not visible, Amma?
Visible, sir.
Then verify yours only is the problem. So you can see that everybody. So time taken for 20 oscillations is equals to 20 oscillations equals to how much seconds? 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Now
30 seconds.
time taken for one oscillation, how much, Pradosh? Time taken for one oscillation is equals to, that is only called as time period. We will say time period. Clear? So time period, one oscillation is equals to how much? 30 by 20, which is how
1.5.
many seconds, Ra?
1.5.
1.5 second, or we can say 3 by 2 seconds. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is you have to remember it. Now, any doubt, anybody till here? Ask me. Next. As I told you, least count means what? Least count means we all people knows. What is least count? Absolute error. So absolute error means what, brothers? Suppose now least count of the total length of the pendulum is how much? 55 centimeter. Then least count they have given 1 mm. 1 mm means how many centimeters? 0.1.
0.1.
Clear? Yes. Then least count is equals to absolute error. Can you tell me now? What is 0.1? 0.1 is equals to what?
Absolute error.
What is that? Symbol. L is 55 means what is the error? Delta L. Delta L is equals to how much? Delta L is equals to how much, Ra?
55.1 minus 55.
That's what, brothers. L is equals to 55. Delta L is equals to 0.1 because
sir.
this count is
0.1.
absolute error. Are you clear?
Sir, clear.
Yeah. Then now what we know simple pendulum formula before we derived T is equals to what is the simple pendulum formula? T is equals to 2 pi into root of L by G. Clear? Now we want G. Then both the sides square it. So if you apply the square both the sides, what will come? T square is equals to 2 pi whole square into root of L by G whole square. So square and root will get cancelled. So it will come what? T square is equals to 4 pi square divided into L by G. Now I want G. So G is equals to what is the formula will come? Everybody tell me. G is equals to 4 pi square into L divided by T square. Is it right? For those?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Now what is the question they are asking? In the question what they are asking, verify it. Question there what they are asking. Find the percentage error in what? Find the percentage error in the determination of G they are asking. So percentage error means what we can say? Tell me fastly. That's all over. Almost we finish the answer.
Delta G.
Delta G by G is equal
Into 100.
to delta G by G into 100 is equals to how much?